Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can publish GitHub repository to the world, and it will be a quick step-by-step video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we already have an repository, so I just want to make it to the publish to the whole world. So how I can do it? I just need to be follow some guideline here actually. So here you just need to be go to the setting. Once you come over here, then you just need to be come over that place, but before that you just need to change see your default branch. It would be a main. This one is perfect. Then come back to the page. Once you come over here, then here you can see the branch we have. GitHub page is currently disabled. Select a search below to enable GitHub page for repository. So I'll click this one, and then I'll select this one, and I'll make sure the second folder will be the root, and just click to the save. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes, and then you will get to see that your custom domain allow you to serve your site from domain other than GitHub, this one. And then I will come back to the code again, and once you come over here, then here you can see we have this one. It is in pending right now. If I click to the details, where it will take a couple of minutes. So now it is on the process, so here you just need to be complete it. So here you can see the ongoing the process is it, so we just need to be keep patient to complete the process. Once it's done, then it will be publicly posted here. So here you can see build repository build status. If I see this one, you can see that setup jobs started 4 seconds ago, so you just need to be wait a bit, and once it's done, it will completely deploy here. So this is the easiest way. Now if I go to the code, and if I see that our code already been added to the repository and it is visible to the wall. Now if I click over here, as you can see this here, and now you can watch it perfectly if you want to watch it. So now if you go to the setting again, then you will see something else than previous one. Here you can see your site is busy site. Just click over here, your site is completely live, and this is our website. So this is the easiest way to publish GitHub repository to the world. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.